Hey guys, welcome to TechnoFad. Today we are going to learn how to connect to AWS EC2 server, which is an Ubuntu server, using FileZilla so that you can drag and drop your files on your local machine from server and vice versa from your local machine to the server. So to do this, we need a software which is Putty software to convert your PEM file to PPK file and create an SSH tunneling to connect to your server. So in my earlier video, I have explained in detail how to use Putty to connect to your AWS EC2 instance. So to learn that, please click on the link given in the description. And I hope that you have received a PEM file from your AWS EC2 instance and you have converted that file into PPK file using Putty software. So I have also converted the PEM file into Putty private key file, which is PPK file. So what we need to do here, we need to run Pagent, which you will receive after you install Putty software. So we need to double click on this. So now you can see in taskbar that Pagent is running. If I double click on this, so it shows error message that Pagent is already running. So okay, now what you need to do, right click on Pagent and click on view keys or add key directly. I'll click on view keys. So I can see no keys are added here. So I can now add a key here. You can add multiple keys to connect multiple instances. So I'll click on add key and I'll select the Putty private key PPK file for AWS instance. So now file is added and I'll click on close. So now Putty Pagent is running and a valid key is added in Pagent. So I hope you have installed FileZilla software. So I have also installed it. I'll open that software, FileZilla, and click on close. Okay, so now how FileZilla connect to your server? So it is exactly the same how you connect to your AWS EC2 instance using Putty. It is the same. So what FileZilla will do? FileZilla will check on Pagent that Pagent is running or not, and if it's running, then a valid key is there in Pagent or not. So our Pagent is running and a valid key is added in Pagent. So what you need to do here, you need to type sftp colon slash slash and your IP address given by AWS Amazon Web Services. So mine is 13.126.20.61 and the default username will be Ubuntu, and you don't need to type password here if you are connecting to the server using private keys, SSH tunneling, and you need to type here your port and click on quick access. So you can see here it's connecting. So now you can see here I have connected to the server, my Amazon EC2 instance, and this is a home directory. You can see here. So now I can drag and drop any file if I want here. So I am at desktop. So from server, if I want this file, I'll simply just drag and drop here in desktop. So from server, you have directly copied the file here. You can also delete this file from server directly, and you can also copy any file from your machine to server directly. It's done. Yeah. So using FileZilla, it gives you a user interface where you can just you can get file from your server or copy files to your server, just drag and drop, or you can perform add, you can perform delete, or you can rename these files also here, just using this GUI. So I hope you have understand how to connect to your server using FileZilla. Thank you very much.